All right, all right, all right. Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Take Profit Tuesdays. And yes, I'm a day late, guys. Yeah, I know. We don't normally do a day late episodes. Just got back from Jamaica yesterday. Then life goes on after that. Um, but yeah, this is gonna be a day late episode. Doesn't matter. Still got content for you guys. Still got things we gotta talk about. Um, And as always, guys, as I like to start each and every single host, well, let me introduce myself. This is your host, co-founder of Vanya FX, Levon Stewart. And again, like I like to start each and every single episode. Again, if you're not prepared for the financial markets, please look out, seek your most local licensed financial advisor, someone who is hired by a company. That company is regulated by the SCE Those are the ones that you're gonna go to give your money to where you can help, pay their commissions, help pay their bills. Um, the money managers, right? So again, just wanna emphasize again with each and every single video that we do, this is not financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment, education, those who want to learn how to invest their money independently and not to, do what they do. So, welcome back, welcome back. So, this episode, I might keep it short. Not entirely sure, but I do want to say the one thing I love about trading, investing, um, is that with the power of technology, the power of just going on your phone. Well, if you have an iPhone, you're just gonna swipe up. If you can't swipe up, with the face recognition, you have to do the PIN code or whatever the case may be. If you have Android, you have to do the swipe thing. Go longer to your brokerage account and connect to the data cell towers or even to your Wi-Fi if you're at the Starbucks, right? And if you have money in a bank account and your money and you have, like we always talk about the four pillars, the capital, the strategy, the risk management, and the psychology. So again, when you have the capital in your bank account and you're able to make a bank transfer into your brokerage account right from your phone, especially with today's technology, right? They say back in the days that when you first started to be involved in financial markets, you need like thousands of dollars. You had to go through those brokers. You had to go through those people to pay the commission. Um, and again, guys, like we talked about Robinhood, we talked about last week episode how a lot of times, even though these zero commission brokers, they're buying and selling the differences of the wholesale. So again, we're not really gonna get too much into it, but again, it's the price you pay for the convenience of what you play. So compared to times where you needed thousands of dollars and you had to go through your broker just to place a trade on let's say a stock or index, you could open a brokerage account and fund it with as low as $1, 25, 50, 100,000, whatever your boat may float. And with that same technology on your phone, you could place a trade right from your phone. Technology is great, guys, and I say that to say because I was able to get into this right here. I don't know if you guys can even see it. This arrow's kind of in the way. Um, I'm gonna draw it for you. 1 second. But yeah, as I was in the island in Jamaica, I saw a perfect opportunity. what I bought right here. Today's Wednesday from this recording, and it's been going up ever since. Now, will it continue to go up? I don't know. This is not financial advice, guys. But I practice the 4 pillars, and I really got a team behind me, and we're pretty smart, and we make good amount of money. Um, so I'm very confident in my trades that I make. With the same bet, we do these videos every single week. If you're first time coming in, make sure you like the video on the way out. Subscribe. We do this on a weekly basis. Support the channel, help us grow, help us educate the masses. We already came out with one masterclass. Again, if you just want to shoot me in the comments, hit me directly on my email, VaniFXLC@gmail, or my personal store.levon@gmail. And yeah, I'll build a team. So anyways, as I was laying down in a nice, an island, I saw a sell off, and I said, oh, okay, we've hit some serious lows. And as I say, like all the time, if price keep getting lower and lower and lower, I'm gonna keep buying and buying and buying, because again, guys, I'm not the only one gonna be in these dip buys, as you just see from that rally, and they may continue to go up. But guess what? I'm gonna take advantage right now while prices are still low, hold on to it long term, and then swing it to the all-time highs. So there's been talks about, we're entering a recession, quote unquote. And just from see again, we're at some most recent all-time lows since the beginning of 2020. And that's good for me, because again, I'm gonna keep buying if it keeps going low. I'll let you guys know if you bought, but one thing I do want to reiterate, for those of you who are fearful on these times when you're like, oh, it keeps getting lower. Lee, man, I bought it when you told me it was at that golden zone. Lee, it keeps getting low from that point. What I'm gonna, I'm just gonna sell. Okay, cool. That was your decision. Again, if you study the 4 pillars, you should already have your psychology in place. So if you have a good strategy, you would stick with that strategy and not let your mind, pill 4, break you from that strategy. So at the end of the day, the trade you place is at your own risk. And if you're not able to manage that risk, that is your fault. Right? And even at these firms that you put your money in, they disclose that, potential principals may be all lost. Those are even actually in the beginning of these videos, we talk, it's right there. You can pause it. Disclaimer. And I say verbally for you guys. So, but anyways, so if you're buying at a high and you're selling at a low, that whatever percentage, that's what you lost. You gave it to me and everyone else, right? You sold it to us. We bought it. You sold it. We bought it. Cool. Now, for those who are still hanging on now, if we hang it to the all-time highs, we're going to be in profit, right? I'm not going to really disclose how much we're doing with the trend account probably the next week. I want to make it a little bit of fun. Obviously, we're down because the whole market's down, but hey, it is what it is. So if you're not the one like buying at those dips, I don't just get into a discount, right? Why don't you, right? So I'm not, to be honest, I'm gonna wait till things a little bit level out. If we're gonna break this, what I like to call neckline right here, I'll draw it for you guys so you can see it. This neckline. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. 1 second, guys. So if we look at this neckline right here, this is going to be